Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off receive image description reminder on your account on X Twitter. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings and privacy, and now click accessibility, display and language settings, and here you will find accessibility settings. Click on it, and here just click on it like this, and it will be turned off. That's how to turn off receive image description reminder on your account on X Twitter. Easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.